Hello everyone. I thought I'd bring you along today as I open this box. This is my January order for my Stampin' Up supplies. I've never done an unboxing before, so it's just been delivered about 10 minutes ago and I am anxious to get into it, as you can see, because there are things in here that I am waiting on so I can get creating. Alrighty. I feel like I should be singing that song, would you like to see what's in the box? Lots of huge packaging. Okay, all of these goodies. We've got embellishments and paper and stamps and punches and gorgeous ribbons. Let me get rid of the box, folks. I'm just doing this on the kitchen table. There's more. But wait, there's more. Okay, now let me see if I can remember what I ordered. I ordered the Terrific Toadstools stamp set and bundle. Stamp set and punch as a bundle. It's a builder punch, but it could be used for so many things. With that shape there, not make fabulous rocks for a rock garden. So many things with that. So that's the toadstools, Terrific Toadstools. And they're clear stamps. Woohoo! I love clear stamps. Makes stamping and lining up so much easier. And the sentiments are quite sweet too. Just a little thank you I will use all the time. You are magical. Not so sure about that one. Popping up to say hi. Perfect for the Happy Mail project. So there's those. They're in the Celebration catalogue, guys. And, I haven't got it here, but there is beautiful designer series paper that goes with these called Toadstool Gardens. Now, that and that. Okay, heart-shaped. Perfect for Valentine's Day. This is a Celebration freebie. It's a bundle too. And you've got the stamps and the dies that go with them. So let's see if I can open this. What's in the dies? Because I'm waiting to start my Valentine's series too. Okay. I love these envelopes that our dies come in. They're so sturdy. So sturdy. Oh my giddy aunt. So we've got, do this, the heart that will cut out the stamped image. That will do that. There's a flower. Little leaves. Those two little leaves there will do those, I would think. Oh, how pretty. And then that will do those longer sentiments. My heart loves your heart. How sweet is that? Oh, I love this. This is free with Celebration, this bundle. If you want it, $200 order in my online store, and you can choose this from your Celebration offerings and get it absolutely free. Okay, now this is the gorgeous re-release Serene Love, it's called, and it's older designer series papers that have been, can I open it? That have been recolored and re-released. I love this. Night of Navy on white. And look at those stripes. Butcher stripes. Oh, love it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And the reverse is a tile pattern. Lovely. Lost Lagoon. Is that not pretty. Oh, very swish. Now, a while ago, a few years ago, we had this design in 6x6 paper, and I used it a lot. These florals are amazing. Polka dots. Who doesn't love a polka dot? Oh, these are so, so pretty. More polka dots. Oh, Field of Daisies. Christmas daisies. Oh, and the stripe. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You get 2 of each design in this paper, and I will tell you the colours because on the back of our Stampin' Up! Packaging, it tells you Lost Lagoon, Night of Navy, and Old Olive are the colours. So they're core line colours. Night of Navy. Imagine this. This on a melon mambo. Yes. It's very 70s, I know. But I just love Night of Navy, dark navy blues with bright hot pinks. Okay. Some basic, I was out of Lost Lagoon cardstock. What else do we have? And I was out of the Blackberry Bliss. Is this not a pretty colour? You can't see. I'm trying to. The light's not very good today. Blackberry Bliss. Such a gorgeous colour. And normally purples, not a fan of them, but this one is so rich. And it's has purple tones, but it's got blue tones. It's just gorgeous. Right, now, what have I got here? This is Wildflower Birthday. Okay. This is a sweet, gorgeous papers. This gorgeous gold ribbon. The stamp set and the dies. Look at these cute little, what are these called? Party dots. How sweet is that? And I would say we've got Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, and not Summer Splash. What was the other one? Yeah, Summer Splash. Summer Splash? Have to check on that. Just tell me on the back. Nope, not to worry. All right, look at these stamps. This was what I wanted. Look at this. How cute is it? Love these big sentiments too. And again, they're a clear stamp. That's the size of them. Let me see if I can flip it over so you can see the stamps. So that birthday is that size. Beautiful. All right, let me try this. Now this is a suite, which means you get it all in one big bundle. That means you've got everything you need that coordinates with the DSP, with the party dots, with the ribbon, the stamps. Okay. Gorgeous. Look at that. There's your rope. There's tassels, the numbers. So you can do the little banner, little flowers and leaves. So much that would cut out those. So much in this bundle. You can buy the stamp set on its own. You can buy the dies on their own. Well, you'd want to without the stamps is a bit not sure. Buy them as a bundle, you save 10%. Or you can get them as part of the suite. Okay, the paper. This is what we've been waiting for. This is gorgeous. The colours in this are, take the glasses off so I can see. Blueberry Bushel, Old Olive, Peach Pie, Pool Party, Pretty in Pink, Soft Sea Foam, and Gold. Gold highlights. These some specialty pieces in here. Over. It doesn't get in the way. Okie dokie. I always keep these cardboard backings that come in the specialty papers. It's really nice and sturdy. Rightio. So we have little peach pie flowers, and on the back of it, oh wow, 2 sheets of that. So we've got tags, we've got different cutouts. These could be used for card fronts. They can be used for scrapbook layouts. They can be just used as gift tags on their own. I love the gold. Love, love, love the gold. Oh my. Isn't this pretty? Have a look at this. It says Wildflower Birthday. Oh gosh, wouldn't that make pretty christening cakes, blue or pink? You've got engagement cakes, you've got wedding cakes, you've got special birthday cakes, 60th, 80th, 100th birthday. Oh, and on the reverse, so pretty, the stripes. Oh, gorgeous. This is a beautiful, beautiful set. Now, that's obviously for a celebration of some kind. Flip it over. That's for any reason. One of the things with our DSPs is while some of the designs might be themed to a specific event, others aren't. Oh, look at this. Gold leaves. So, so pretty. And on the back, quite little dots. Can you see what they are? They're little sort of slashes maybe. I don't know what you call those. So, oh my, Tiffany blue and gold. It's not really, but how sweet is that? That is gorgeous. And the soft leaves on the reverse. And then look at this, the gold. And the foiling is beautiful. And on the reverse, that beautiful pink check. So, so nice. And of course, 2 sheets of the ephemera, of the cut parts or pull aparts, poker parts they are really. 2 sheets with lots of gold foiling on these. So that bunch of balloons are stunning with the cake, that big bouquet. Look at that. Oh yes, so many things to be done with it. Love it, love it. And then I added some black and white gingham. That's a classic, guys. It never goes out of style. I use it a lot, and I was out of it. And this is the bordered ribbon in the Pretty in Pink, which is one of our in colours. Okay. It's so soft. This ribbon is so soft. It ties easily, folds nicely, so as you pull it through, like that, like that, like that. Okay. And you can adjust it to however much you like. And then if I put a bow, easy. But it's so soft. And with this sort of stitching, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. It's a bit fuzzy, sorry. It sort of has a stitched hem effect on it. It's just lovely. So that was my order for January. Now I'm going to hurry up and get dinner ready, sit down with my notes, and start creating. So stay tuned, because in a couple of days I'll be starting to upload all these pretties turned into other pretties that you can have a look at. And of course, as usual, you can go to my 24/7 online store and place an order. Remember, during celebration, for every $100 you get to choose a free item. If you spend $200, you might like to choose this. This is the $200 offering, the heart-shaped bundle. The stamps and the dies. There's designer series papers, there's ribbons, there's stamps. There's lots of things that are free for celebration. And not to keep you waffling or keep waffling much longer, but if you really like this suite, you can add it to a starter kit with a few other things. And then you've got two options. There's option one, which is choose 2 packs of our Stampin' Right markers and receive a bonus stamp set, or you can add another $51 worth of product to your starter kit. So your starter kit, you choose up to $235 worth of product. You're paying $169 and it's delivered to your door. That's a great deal. In fact, the starter kit is the best deal in the whole catalogue. Doesn't matter what time of year it is, but during celebration, when there's bonuses to be had, if you've got a lot of things on your wish list, drop me a line, give me a call, and we'll talk about how easy it is to become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, because you can be a hobby demonstrator, which means that you shop for yourself. There's no pressure to do classes. There's no pressure to hold workshops or parties or anything else, sell cards, sell product or anything. It's entirely up to you what you do with your Stampin' Up! Demonstratorship. Alrighty, that's my box of goodies. Now I'm going to go and play. Have a great afternoon, everyone, and I will see you next time.